So you are actually looking for UI Builder and Service Portal course itself?
Yes, I'm learning for a development, so I'm learning courses.
Got it. Thank you. Thanks, Sai. Uma Shankar, can you please introduce yourself? Thank you.
Hi, I'm working as a ServiceNow consultant in Infosys, and I have 4+ years of experience in the development. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, you are here for the UI Builder and Service Portal experience
Yeah,
itself.
built search portal. Yeah,
Got it. Yep. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks,
yeah.
Uma.
Thank you.
Prem, I already know you. Rohit, can you tell me just about yourself and your background? And you are for UI Builder. Yeah. Rohit, are you talking because you are on mute? But if you're not comfortable introducing yourself, that's totally fine. We'll just wait for 3 more minutes, guys. It's just we'll wait for 3 more minutes and we'll see if anyone is interested in joining so that we can start. Hi, Apan. Thanks for joining. Can you please introduce yourself and please let me know whether you're here for UI Builder and Service Portal course training and your experience in service now. Thanks. Ayyappan, you are on mute. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello. Yeah, hi all. Good evening. This is Ayyappan. Yeah, so I am to IT asset management domain. So ServiceNow implementation part I am working. So I am taking care of IT order and software asset management. So overall, I am holding 16 years experience.
Thanks, Ayyappan.
Yeah, thank you all.
Yeah. Siddharth, over to you. Siddharth is a trainer. He's having like around 9+ years of experience in service now, and he's having a lot of training experience. So, Siddharth, over to you. Maybe you can start with some introduction and then people will join. Thanks, Siddharth. Thanks for your time.
One second, guys. There is some noises coming from my side. Just 1 second.
So I hope everyone is aware of the course topics and the timings because we cannot change the time and all the course topics I already have shared in the group. Please look at the course and shoot the doubts, whatever you have, so that everyone will be comfortable and we also get a proper feedback from you. Please send a feedback in the group. How did you feel about the class and all other details? And please free for any questions you have. You can ask any kind of questions and how the course will be and exactly what topic you are looking for. Thanks, guys.
Okay, okay. Am I audible, guys? Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
you
Yes,
are audible.
yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so basically today there is something is happening. I don't know what is happening, but there is some noises coming from the outside. Okay. So am I audible clearly?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, today we are going to be learn about the UI builder. Okay. So before starting the UI builder, I just wanted to know from you guys that what you guys have idea about the UI builder. Means if I'm just saying UI builder, what's come first in your mind for the UI builder? Anyone?
It's an UA user interface. So based on that, we can write the script and we can develop the thing, develop the background appearance, and we can do the mapping, and so we can write the script mainly for based on our requirement development
Okay.
page.
Okay. Any other who wants to try? Anyone?
Yeah, UI builder is like basically we can customize the interface, other workspace and the forms.
Okay. So let me start. So UI builder is a UI, means user interface builder, which is coming under Now Experience framework. So ServiceNow have its own framework called Now Experience, and using that thing, it is building one user interface which can be helpful for building the workspace or service portal and making the different web pages, adding different components, button, those things. Okay, but here mostly we are not going to use that much of HTML or those stuff, because ServiceNow build this total UI builder canvas only on the now using the Now Experience framework, so people can easily build anything, and its main motto is low code, no code. Got it? What I'm saying? Okay. So now let's say you guys can see, all of you know nowadays people have using this workspace, right? Workspace is a modern way of, means modern UI of the working, or modern way of the working. So if I'm just opening any of the things, let's say I'm just opening the SOW or the service operation workspace. Okay. So here, rather than going to the backend, okay, of the incident table, then open that list, open again the new form into new tab. So if the agents are anywhere, I mean, if the agent will log into this workspace directly, they will have all the things handy. Okay, this should have all the thing handy. They can see all the incident SLAs which is going to be breached, or what is the thing, what is assigned or not, that reports. Also your, if they want to start working on the things, so they will get the list of the incident over here. So in a single pane, they are going to be get all of the things, whatever they wanted to do from here. Okay, catalog tasks, problems, changes, anything. But different modules, different workspaces are there, and workspace bring all of the working item in a single pane. Okay. Now, and guys, please ignore this noise. Okay. I don't know that today what happened here. Suddenly they started some noise. Okay, so the next
Actually, we
thing
are
is,
not getting any noise, Siddharth. It's good, actually.
okay, you guys are not getting any noise.
No.
Okay, then it's fine. Then it's fine. Okay, so here in this default list or something, you guys can see this, all the things has been built under the UI builder only. It's looking good, right? Rather than coming here and typing the incident dot list. If I'm giving someone the access for this workspace, they will be directly come. See, it's looking bored, right? Means it's looking boring. But here, if you just guys can go come here, you can directly click and it will become, right? Also here in a single page, no need to do the navigation or something. Here also, if you need to search, you need to search the incidents or something, right? So you can customize it and you can build the workspace with it, and you can modernize it. You can add animation. You need, if you want to change the stylish text or text header, bold, anything, whatever things you want to do, that you can do in your UI builder without, mostly without any scripting. Okay, mostly I'm saying, I'm not saying that it doesn't need any script, but mostly main intent is going with the low code, no code. Okay, so my version of my PDI is, let's say, let me check, that is Zurich. Okay, stats. So I'm using the Zurich. Okay. So previously, before the Zurich also, guys, if in some of the UI builder, if you guys are in the Xanadu or something, so that time little bit more scripting was needed. But nowadays everything is more handy and more available. Okay. So as I told, UI builder coming under which framework? UI builder is coming under Now Experience framework. Okay, that's the thing which we are using for build our UI builder canvas. Okay, so let me search with the Now Experience. Under this Now Experience framework, we have experiences, app shell UIs, UI builder, themes, UI navigation menus, building blocks, and a lot of things we will have. Okay, data management, and those things we have. Okay, client data, event, and these all things separately, and it's all integrated with your workspace console. Okay, so now I'm just clicking on this UI builder. Once you guys click on the UI builder, it will be redirect you guys where to UI builder home. Okay, this page name is UI builder homepage or UI builder canvas. Okay, let's try to join. This thing is known as UI builder homepage. Okay, guys. So here in this homepage, you guys can see we have different options is available for it. So we will have the recent, we will have the experiences, we will have the page collections, controllers, presets. So I'm not going through the most with the PPTs, but because UI builder only, it is only a PPT. Okay, it is only a PPT. Because here all the things you should needs to build that your presentation skills, how good you can build the look and feel of the UI, that we can do with our UI builder. Okay, so here see, it is giving boost your development in UI builder. So here okay, so here we will have that it is saying that boost your development in the UI builder. So download this thing. Okay, so we guys can download these tools. Okay, if you want. I don't know that you guys already installed this thing in your PDI or extension. Did you guys add or not? But you can do it. So for building the UI builder or learning the UI builder or creating any new workspace customly from the scratch, what you guys need basically, you need one PDI where Now Experience framework is there. Okay, so now there is different experiences we can create. What is the experience? Experience means how we are telling, right, in the normal word that okay, my experience was so much good in this airport. Okay, so the look and feel, the view, or the comfortability, right, those all things depends upon different theme or different things. Our experience can be different, right? So here it is saying that here we can have already some out of the box experience has been created, out of the box pages has been created, out of the box some controllers are there, presets are there. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to create some new experience. See, experience means this experience can be anything. We can create any workspace, we can create some portal or something. In the later classes, I'm just going to discuss about all of these things. Okay, so this experience, it's already saying that an experience is a web interface. Okay, web interface. Web interface means if you have any web interface means it should have its particular URL, right? Web interface means it needs one URL. So that's known here as the URL path. Got it? What I'm saying, guys? If you have any web interface means it should have a dedicated URL path. And if you have a URL path, then only you can redirect to your particular web interface. That's why it is saying an experience is a web interface that lives at a specific URL to create an experience, define the web address for the experience and its home page. So now let's say I am giving it a name, my incident home. Okay. Now here you guys can see URL path means this is only the URL path which is coming over here, and it is saying the landing path. So always your UI builder, mostly people what they are doing, they are landing with to their home page, right? If I'm in this Google also, if I'm just opening this is my home page, home landing page, right, of the Google. So here also my landing path is my home page. Now it is asking me App Shell UI. App Shell UI is a wrapper. Okay, if I'm just clicking over here, you guys can see what it is mean. So App Shell UI is a wrapper of the page contents, which is similar the functionality of the web page. Let's say we are using the div tag, we are using the different HTML wrapper, right, for combining all the pages, logos, and everything. We're just wrapping up, right, in a what I can say under. If your UI builder, if your web interface or the experience is a package, so I'm just wrapping all of the components under my App Shell UI. Okay, so that's the known of the App Shell UI. There is some predefined App Shell UI is there. So as of now, we are just not creating the portal. We are using the workspace App Shell. Okay, once we are just going to create the portal, that time I'll show that what is, and later videos or later classes we are just going to learn about that what all the work of the different App Shell UI. Okay, roles, you guys can add any roles into it as per your need, as per your document. Let's say if your client is saying to you that, okay, I want to create one experience or UI builder experience where I want to provide the role only for the SNC externals. So I'll be going to give that thing. Okay, I'm going to add this role only over here. If they are going to say to me, let's say that okay, if they are saying to us that okay, we are just going to what I can say that we are going to add any of the third-party role, that also you can do over here. Any of the things you can do. Okay, any of the things you can do. Now let's see if I just click on the create. So it is showing. 1 second, guys. I'm getting one call. Hello. Okay, so now here we will have it is showing that your experience has been created. So it is saying open the experience to begin the editing. So now one base has been created. Now you have to edit, you have to show your magic here, that how good you can build your UI page or your user interface. Okay, got it what I'm saying? Any doubt?
Please feel free to ask any doubts if you have, and about the course and what all topics you want to discuss. And also, please feel free to send a feedback after this class in the group, so that people will understand what exactly the course is, and if they have missed it, or if they want to join the course, or how the class is being taken. Please feel free to send a one-line message, which helps our efforts and also make people learn. It's everything that we will be teaching, and you have to learn it. Thank you.
Okay. Now it is also showing that access control, your initial access control have been created for you based on the roles you selected. Later you can change that thing. Okay, if I'm just opening this, open the access control list. So you guys can see for my new incident home, okay, there is already one access control got created. If you want to change it, you need to turn on your elevate roles, and here you can do the changes. Okay, here later if you need. Now let me open my experience. So this is my experience. This is my experience, and this is showing the name of my incident home. Here you guys can see view experience settings. If we are going to be use this thing later. We need it a lot of the time. First, tell me guys, once you click on this, hit on this address, okay, google.com. So if this page is not there, it should show the blank, right? So first we need to add one page or the variants right over here. So let me click on the create new page. So here already a lot of templates are there that will be going to be seen in the next class. Okay. But as of now, I'm just showing that create a page from the scratch. Once you are going to be create a page, okay. Once you are going to be create a page, you need to give the name of the page. Let's say I'm giving the name as home. Okay, home is the name of this my page, or home incident. This will be the name. Now let me click on the continue. Here, as of now, I'm just showing it as a home page. So I'm not passing any of the parameter. If I'm just going to be push any of the parameters, like let's say there is a thing that, okay, I need to show one form, and in that form I need to do like this, that I click on the incident and it needs to pass that incident SysID and the table name, and that I'm going to be call in my this page, or I'm going to be use that thing. In those cases I will be create the variable, but as of now it is my home. So I'm not going to be change anything, or I'm not going to be add any what I can say, I'm not going to be add any of the parameters into it. So as of now I'm just clicking on looks good. Okay, and variable name I'm keeping as default only. Audiences, as of now I'm not going to be add audience. Let's see if you're just going to be add any audience, that who can see or who cannot, that also you can do. View all available audience. So this audience also, guys, we can create different audience as per our need. Here, if I'm just going to be search with the audience, under the building blocks, you guys can see we have the audience. Here already by default some some audience has been created. But if you're creating your workspace for any custom apps or something, in that case, if you have some custom roles or something, you want to create a new audience, you can do that also. You will do. Okay, as of now I'm just taking the normal out of the box audience, means the admin. Okay, now here we'll get the option for the build responsive or build without responsive. Guys, as my version is Zurich, but if you use the Xanadu or those things, you can't see this build responsive or build without responsive version. They are directly after that only it will be going to be create. But from the Yokohama, it's give one option that if you want, your page will be auto set as per the desktop, laptop, or mobile or tablet. So we always need, right, that our page should be, our component should be auto adaptive with the different screen size, right? So I'm just going to take this build responsive, and if I'm click on this, see it's creating my experience. Okay, the home page is just creating. See, once it's loading, how it looks like, guys, it's looking like that this is our home page, right? If I'm just opening any of the workspace over here, workspace, and if I'm just clicking on this, see, this is the part, the header came and a blank page, because we didn't add any components, or we didn't add any kind of columns, or nothing, no layout, nothing we have been added. So now next thing after this thing will come. After this thing came, we need to add here under this body. This is known as the body. I need to add one column. As of now, I'm adding one single column. And let me add it. So see, under your body, you will have the column. Okay. Now this column also, it will be giving you one option. Okay. So before that, let me tell you guys, here, this part is known as the content, and this is the page configuration. If you want to change the margin, if you want to do something, that's the color, or let's say you want to change the spacing, configuring the themes or something. If any events, we are going to be learn different events and data loaders, lot of things we are going to be learned, right, in our upcoming classes. So those things we can do from here, from the page configuration. And here, this part for the data and the script. If you are just going to be push some data from the server with the client script, or the client state parameter, or some script includes anything, those all things we are just going to be do from our data validation, data populating, those parts we are doing from the data and script. This is for adding the component or content, and this is for the configuration of the page. Okay, this is the main three part of our canvas. So now under the body, I added the column 1. Under my column 1, let's see if I'm just wanted to change the background. Okay, it is showing neutral. If I'm changing it to like this, and let's say I'm applying it, so you guys can see here the background got changed. Okay, again, if I'm just going to be change this color to anything, okay, it is saying custom. Let's say I'm going to make it like this, and let me drag this color. Let me apply it. So it looks like this. Okay. So now under this column, I need to add the content. It is giving me the option add a content. So let's say here a lot of contents are there, guys. We have the alert, we have the activity stream, button, drop down, form, image, anything, list, record list, lot of things are there. Animation, playbook, list, form, data visualization, indicator, a lot of things are there. As of now, I'm searching with the text. So we have the lot of text also. We have the text link. Text link means if I'm just adding it under this text link, if I'm just going to be add any hyperlink, it will be redirecting to there. Okay. Let's say if I'm just adding it here, the link. Okay. Let's say I'm just giving over here the label, not the link. I'm giving the label as. Let me zoom it, guys. Okay. Hi. Welcome to UI Builder training. To register, click here. Normally I'm just giving. Okay. Here, if you just going to be give any hyperlink, let's say I'm just going to give this. Thing. Okay. So now if I'm just linking it and if I'm just saving it, okay, this property. So now you can enable the preset. Preset, I do not need this thing. Okay. So now you guys can see it is allowing me for clicking. Okay, it is allowing me to click it. So if I'm just use the theme variables to maintain the consistent design. So if you want, we will be do this thing later. But as of now, I'm just adding this thing. So under my text link, I added this. Now it is giving me the size or something if you just wanted to change. As of now, it is not allowing me for doing these changes, but we can do these changes also with the CSS. But as of now, we are not going to do this. Okay. So now, sorry, event also we are not going to be do. Configure, here I am adding the link. So now how it will be going to be what? If I click on, see, it's a clickable link. So if it's a clickable link, let me just save it. Now let me click on the preview. See, it is allowing me for click. If I click on it, it is redirecting me to my home page. Got it? Because I have given my instance link. If I'm just clicking on this URL path, open URL path. See, this is my, one second. So this is where it is. So this is my in my incident home. And now if I click on it, it is directly redirecting me to my home page. Got it? How we can create something from the scratch, like the experiences or something? Any doubt under this, guys? Prem?
No, Siddharth.
Okay, Vinod, Rohit, Mahesh, Mr. Khan, anyone have any doubt? Okay. No issue. Then here we can do one more thing. Okay, let's say now I have created my workspaces right here. Now if I'm coming over here, see, my workspace is not coming here. Okay, so for that thing, what we need to do, we need to click on this all. We have to again open this now experience. I have to link my experience to these things. Okay, so let me click on this control experiences. So let me add the created by today. Sorry, created on today. Run it. So this one we have created today, this experience. So now my URL path is this. So here you guys can see some properties has been created. Chrome footer, Chrome header. I have to create the application category. I have to register this application. If I click on new, my incident home experience category, if I click on it, it will ask me, you are going with the portal or workspace? As of now, we are going with the workspace. So let me submit it. If I submit it, now if you will just reload this, this workspace or something. Now under this workspace, it should come. It will take some time, but it will come over here. Okay, let's check 1 second. It should come over here automatically. Or let me add as 10 or something. Let's see now. Okay, it is not coming here. It will take some time, guys. If I'm just clicking over here also, no. Workspace needs to come, but as of now it's not coming. It will take some time, but there we have to first register our application, then only it will become in this workspace. Okay, now even though my experience is coming, first let's check the experience in this manner, guys. Let's say I'm coming to my experience. Okay, where it is editor settings, experience settings. Here we can check the page variance is here, default is here, anything you guys can see that what is the order. This is the if there is multiple variants, multiple pages, this is a single page, single variance things, right? But once it is multiple, that time how it will be looks like here, lot of things will be there. We have to configure it, and it is helpful to us with these settings that it will be in a proper shape and proper order. Okay, so now what will be just going to be do, let's check that it's came or not over here. Check.
No caller.
Still it didn't came, but it will come. So this is the first thing, guys, that how we can create a custom page, custom redirection in our UI builder in a custom experience. Now, day by day, we are going to, because we are going to be build 2 or 3 workspace. Also, we are going to be use the, see, if I'm just changing the view also here, let's say for the mobile, so it will be looking like this in your mobile, okay, the component. If I'm just changing it for the tablet, it will be going to look like this. But this things is going to be automatically adjusted, okay, these things, okay, our content, it's showing that thing. So the next class we are just going to be learn the another part of it, that how we'll be going to be add different mode column, we are going to be add some layout, we are going to be use different components and those stuffs. Got it? For today I just shown this thing for our introduction class. So anybody, if you guys do not have any doubt, so I'm just ending the session for today. Again, we'll be start from tomorrow. Okay, Divya, that's all from my side for today.
Yeah, thanks, Siddharth. Thanks for your time. I think we learned something. Most of us learned something today. So here I would like anyone to just ask any questions if you have. Just we'll wait for 2 minutes and we'll ask if anyone have any doubt. See, my old teacher used to say me, there will be 2 kind of a people. One, there will be no doubts if we understand the topic completely, and there will be second type of a people who doesn't have any questions if they doesn't understand anything. So here I'll be taking for the category as first kind of a people, because you have understood everything, and Siddharth, you are so clear about the workspace creation and all the experience creation. So I would take that people have understood more and you are too clear. Yeah, Prem, you have something to say?
No, Divya, I'm good actually.
Yeah, so that you got one point, like you are very clear in the explanation.
Vinod, Mahesh.
Yeah, sounds good, Siddharth. We'll continue with the class from tomorrow and we will see how it goes. Thanks, everyone. A big thanks for everyone who has joined the class. Please spend 10 seconds of time to just write a line in the WhatsApp groups, so that it helps Siddharth and me to make it more productive. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.